kora gutya cyaka indiga y'ukuri nireba mudererwamo.
And you are not ready for Tycoon and me because we are coming for you. Are you ready? We are coming. 1, 2, 3, peace out.
Are you ready?
We go.
Hey. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Tycoon.
Where are you from?
Rwanda.
You're going to be performing what?
I'm going to rap my song.
Hey, you're going to rap.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thank you. It's your boy Tycoon Degree. Say my name, brah.
Collabo with me.
Tycoon national cast. Never try kusaba kugenda. Niba rwapuke mari wakanda. Akasta yita Black Panther. Bichi bampo na bukwani hari Rwanda. Fake bapa bose ubundi kubakanda. Igitima kira tutu bamaze guhabuka. Kuko ubugwa kuri mukora bino bikoryoya hoza zigomba murusha gang. Usari cyuza kuba yaratize. Kumenya yuko burya ntacyo bazi. Bafana banjye bo bakunda trap. Kuna kuja swap kuko manuka igipiti. Nagupakaza kuko mamuhongo back. Never thinking that rimwe ko burya wambashe ma bad boy black boy muri black suit. Bikunda muziki hamwe gusa mfite dream yo kubabera cast nkayobora igiken. Bafutera kagufu. Kandi ntera kuyuva. I wanna all of you to say my name. Call my name, you remember my name. Remember my name. Do you fit the song? Say my name. You cook us a kumuti. Say my name. Nibu kuta rap. Say my name. Ushaki jeraku. Say my name.
Say his name.
Tycoon.
Say his name.
Tycoon.
It's hard to perform a song, especially rap, in a language that people don't know and still get a reaction.
Yeah.
You did that. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I loved your delivery. I loved your presence. I loved that even if we don't understand a word you were saying, that you had so much conviction. I can hear that song on radio today. Very proud of you. Congratulations.
You're gonna make some money
Yeah.
if you continue being able to deliver on point like that and hitting the punches and getting the audience involved to say your name.
Yeah.
Then my brother, you are going very far indeed.
So, it's the time for us to vote. Let's start with you, Jeff.
I'll say no for now, Tycoon. That's just me. I say no.
Okay, Gaetano.
Yeah, man.
It's a yes.
It's a yes from me, Tycoon.
And now, you have 3